Thank you very much, gentlemen and the ladies, for responding quickly to our invitation. We have a short statement that I wish to read, and that we regret to inform that today at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, a group of unknown armed assailants attacked the Dusit complex in what we suspect could be a terror attack. Security and emergency services responded quickly to the incident, and we immediately cordoned off the area, and the situation is being managed. And we have made evacuation of many persons in the complex, and the operation is still going on as we speak as of now. We wish to offer our prayers to those who are affected, and we wish quick recovery to those who are injured. We are aware that there still could be some armed criminals still holed up in the building, and our special forces are, as I said, engaged in that operation to flush them out. We wish to also regret that there could have been some injuries in the attack, and we are in the process of confirming the nature and the types of injuries. As you very well know, that we have been vigilant throughout the entire festive period. That is on the part of we in the security sector as well as the Kenyan people, in which we have had a very good festive period. And as part of the enhanced vigilance, all our critical national infrastructure as well as battle installations remain on guard. We wish at this stage to urge the public to remain calm and to cooperate with the instructions given by security agencies, because we are looking forward to bringing this situation to normalcy within the shortest time possible. I thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and I wish to inform that we will continue updating you as we get regular updates. Thank you very much for coming.